Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Dubai launches metaverse strategy with aim to add $4 billion GDP in 5 years. Known as a hub of innovation, Dubai, UAE, has presented its plan to further expand into the metaverse. The strategy includes multiplying the 1,000 Dubai-based crypto companies 5 times over as many years to reach 5,000 by the year 2027. Host of the Expo 2022 conference, Dubai aims to be at the forefront of the blockchain technology. Now, the city's framework for a metaverse-based economy could set the standard for other countries looking to enter Web 3.0. The plan, as revealed by Dubai's crown prince Sheikh Hamdan bin Mohammed, involves three key factors. 40,000 new job positions in blockchain technology and metaverse development. $4 billion provided by 2027 to stimulate the metaverse economy in the region with the aim of becoming the largest in the region. Multiply the number of crypto companies in Dubai by 5 times to at least 5,000. UAE's main competitors in the region are Qatar and Saudi Arabia. Qatar is exploring CBDC options, while Saudi Arabia announced in February that it would plan to invest billions of dollars into the metaverse. Crypto gets recognition in UAE. The UAE has already made huge steps in the metaverse by building the first ever metaverse hospital by means of augmented and virtual reality. Patients will be able to receive treatment and consultation. The news has driven a buzz of excitement among crypto and blockchain startups, including Metaverse Project Queen. Just a few weeks ago, Visa released the first ever Bitcoin Black limitless card in Dubai. The card is an exclusive product for 10,000 members, but anyone can apply to be one of the lucky few through the official website. The card features an app that will provide exclusive benefits, NFTs, and a built-in exchange platform. Ultimately, ultimately, the crypto markets Liansensi has sparked even faster adoption of blockchain stage around the world, with Disney recently naming Floydgon Matic or MATIC in the Disney Accelerator Program 2022. The metaverse economy is already making Dubai, UAE, 500,000 million a year, if 500 million a year. If everything goes according to the Prince's plan, it is likely that the golden city of Dubai will be premier crypto hub in 5 years. Back to the first. Known as a hub of innovation, Dubai UAE has presented its plan to further expand into the metaverse. The strategy includes multiplying the 1,000 Dubai-based crypto companies 5 times over many years to reach 5,000 by the year 2027. Host to the Expo 2022 conference, Dubai aims to be at the forefront of blockchain technology. Now, the city framework for a metaverse-based economy could set the standard of other countries looking to enter Web 3.0. The plan, as revealed by Dubai's Crown Prince Hamdan bin Mohammed, involves three key factors. The first, 40,000 new job positions in blockchain technology and metaverse development. Second, $4 billion provided by 2027 to stimulate the metaverse economy in the region with the aim of becoming the largest in the region. The third, multiply the number of crypto companies in Dubai by 5 times to
So thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.